Keto Fam, I'm getting our Sunday brunch ready here, and we're gonna finish up the rest of that brisket, which I've been slowly warming up in the oven on about 120 Celsius for 2 hours. That keeps it nice and moist without drying it out. And I'm prepping some eggs, and I made all that gorgeous pate yesterday, so we're gonna have some of that with it too, and maybe even a little bit of that hollandaise. They're super cute. They just sit in the pot of water, and it makes cooking up the eggs really easy. Them with a little bit of ghee, and they just go in and sit in the pot. I'm just heating that up right now, and I'll show you guys. See if I can find a link to them. I'm not sure where my mom got them actually. She may have gotten them on a trip somewhere, so I can ask her where. But otherwise, just poaching with a muffin pan, or my other easy poaching technique with it, which is just dropping them in. I've done a video on that too. Water started to boil, and you just gonna hook these on here, and they're gonna poach the eggs in these little cups. It takes about like 3 or so minutes. You can just check on them. I did using my drop-in method. I just dropped it in using this little bowl, and I'll show you guys how I did that, but it's perfectly poached. An egg into a bowl, and you just drop it over lightly simmering water, and it will just cook inside and become a poached egg. You can just sort of fish them out, and it takes just about 2 minutes, and they are nicely poached. Here we go. A little quenelle of pate for myself and for my husband. How we get our vitamins in, our multivitamins. Took the brisket, it's heating up out of the oven, and it looks still nice and juicy. I'm gonna slice that up and serve it. So I've got the brisket, and just by heating it up at 120 for 2 hours, it really keeps it nice and moist, and you can pick it up and keep it and reheat it really easily with so I'm gonna slice it. Wow, oh, it looks amazing. I love brisket Benny brunch. It really is so delicious. It's so satisfying and filling, and you just, I mean, last night I think we couldn't have dinner until about 8 hours after having this because we were so full and satiated all day. So I'm going to serve this up with those poached eggs and our liver, and look at that. Yeah. And our liver, and look at that. Yeah. All right, here it is, and of course, it's yummy poached eggs. So easy to do, just dropping it in, and time for brunch. Thanks for watching, guys. If you'd like more meal plans or recipes, check out www.ketogenicgirl.com. Have a great day.